Alright everybody, welcome back. This is going to be the second last part, I believe, for installation. Not the full playlist going to end here. I will try to create as much videos as I could because this is going to be a endless course for you guys. Okay. Now basically let's get started. Now in this course, if you are not familiar, I have done a complete course. I'm trying to do a complete course on how you can become a server administration expert. So it's not going to happen. Basically I'm trying to teach you on how you can set up a cPanel web server. And so yeah, let's get started. Now in this video we are going to set up WHM Reseller on our server. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Now if you have watched this part a lot of time, you can just skip. Otherwise, if you basically want reliable license provider, you can surely visit Hostrip. At here you can get reliable share license for cPanel and a lot of stuff that we have installed in this complete playlist. Okay, if you just see, you can get cPanel for $3.49 per month. Okay, and I will update a few things, and the pricing will be a bit changed soon because we will add here a few add-ons for you. Okay, coming to the part, if you are basically looking for reliable share license provider, you can surely visit at Hostrip, and here you can see all the add-ons are listed here for $3.49. Okay, now if you go for the license bundle part, you can just see here you are going to get cPanel license bundle for $12. For yearly billing, this will be just $10. Okay, furthermore there will be some coupon code will be there soon, so if you visit the website you'll be able to find them. Okay, you can just see here the specific add-ons that you are going to get or services that you are going to get with this plan: cPanel, Fleet SSL, Cloud Linux, FlashSpeed, Xcore. Now with the most licensed providers that you are not going to get Lightspeed Core X for free, okay, or not the Core X, okay, then Immunifier, then Sidepack, Subtaplus, Jet Backup, WHM Reseller, and unlimited accounts. Now these all license will work for unlimited as much accounts you have on the web server. Okay, furthermore it works perfectly on VPS, VDS, and dedicated servers. Okay, you can change as much IPs if you wish. Let's suppose you are in beta mode and you want to change the server IP, you can do that as well. Okay, I will show you that as well. Okay, now if you don't know, we can also do server management, server installation on this specific niche here. And if you are looking for reliable managed cPanel servers, we can also provide you that at Hostrip. Now let's come to the point: setting up our WHM reseller on web server. Okay, now you just need to click on this button here, view more, and you will find out this specific product here if you have purchased and is active. If you have purchased this license from somebody else, the installation commands are going to be same. I've already told in multiple videos. You can just explore the official documentation here. Okay, and scroll a bit down, you're going to find out this command. Okay, I've told if you wish to change your IP address, you just need to provide here the new IP. Click on this button and it will update your IP address within like 1 minute. Okay, and if you search here, you can just see this is going to be your license install command for WHM reseller. Now let's SSH the server. Now this thing is going to be a bit different. You cannot just directly run this command. Okay, so your choice is you want to just crash the server just directly installing. Okay, this is one of the reasons I basically created this complete series. Okay, I'm just going to add here one. I forgot every time. Okay, I'm recording this on the same day, but I forgot every time to add here one. Then you just need to scroll down. Here's the password. Enter. We are in this server right now. Clear. Now coming to the part, you just need to search here. WHM Reseller install official bugs. Now you have to find here the official documentation. I will provide this link in the description. Here you go, DEA soft WHM reseller. Okay, I will provide this link in the description. You can visit that specific link from the description. Okay, so we are on the website. Scroll a bit down. Here you can see you're going to find out this installation command. Copy each single time, paste, enter, then the next one, then the next one, enter. Paste is like basically this command and enter. then give it the permissions, then install, and then RM installed, and you just need to delete the file here. Okay, and this will take some time again. Okay, now if you have done the official command run here, I know what show you. Okay, because I'm trying to help you and you are just trying to do whatever you wish, your choice, whatever you do. So basically this is not going to be the same as every license. This is the reason why I'm creating the complete documentation, okay, guide for you. Okay, now a few things I just wanted to discuss. I've been speaking since 2 hours now, creating this complete guide for you, and this is going to get me nothing. Okay, I'm just doing it for you. The reason for creating this guide was when I started, it took me so hard to just learn these few things. Okay, and there were no specific guides on the internet at that time when I started. Okay, let me just speak for a while. And yeah, this is the whole reason why I'm creating this guide. And again, I'm going to tell you, I don't call myself an expert, and I don't know if I'm going to be, but if you need my any help, you just need to contact me. I'll provide the detail in the comment section. I've already told I'm not going to charge you every time. Okay. The reason for creating this guide was to help you. And then if you face an issue, I will try to help you again. And from that, I will learn. Okay, but not like as in the last video for the sidebar I told. If you are expecting me to set up a complete web server for you for free, that is impossible. Okay. Furthermore, there was a person who reached me out and he was asking basically that if I can teach him privately. Okay. I can surely help you within that, but you see, that is going to be paid. Okay. If you are expecting me to give you 6-7 hours, then you are supposed to be able to pay. Okay, so I will not only teach you this cPanel installation and server installation, I will give you the basic commands to debug and a lot of other scripts that if you run for once, the complete server will be set up for you. Okay, yeah, I do have those type of scripts and specific command. Okay, just need to next once you're done, just paste this one here. I believe I've done it or I'm installed. No, I haven't done that. Or once you're done doing that, the next thing you have to do is to just copy this WHM Reseller command under this here, and then just paste this here and just enter. And this will automatically set up the left part, that is basically the license setup and a few setups as well. Okay. Wait for a while and this will automatically. Okay, so you can just see this is now installed. I just need to access here the WHM. Now let's just wait for a while. You can see the WHM is now installed. WHM Reseller. Click on this. This is now done. Okay, and a few things are all left. You just need to check the documentation for furthermore. So yeah, this is how basically you set up the WHM Reseller. If there is anything, just let me know. I wish you a very good luck. Thank you so much for watching.